Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Cash App notifications. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner to access your settings. Scroll down and tap Notifications. This will open all your notification options. Here, you'll see push notifications, text messages, and email alerts. If the toggle is green, that type of notification is on. If it's black, it's off. Make sure at least one option is enabled so you never miss an important update. Below that, you can choose the types of alerts you want to receive, like Cash App updates, stock alerts, or Bitcoin alerts. Simply toggle on the ones you want. Once you've selected your preferences, Cash App will notify you exactly how you like. And that's it. That's how to turn on Cash App notifications. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.